That's HD, by the way.
What does that mean?
That means it's high definition.
New version of Heinz?
High definition.
Really?
Yeah, like.
That's sick. I hate you.
Yeah. I did that on purpose, Al. Okay. Violently. I did it in a stabbing motion. Purposely and stabbingly and viciously and murderously. Oh my goodness, that was cool. Oh, epic. Watch out, we're getting bombed. Wouldn't it be fucked if somebody like dropped a nuke right there? And we were like, oh cool, that's like the best firework in the world, and then it was like, boom, we were all incinerated. It'd be funny. Oh, buff buff. Those ones suck. I'm restarting. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh shit, sick. Woohoo!
Oh,
yeah.
how cheesy is that?
That's fucking iller.
That's cheese.
That's iller, and I got it all on camera. Yeah. Son.
That was cheese. That was cheese. I seen better fireworks than Newmarket.
Yeah, I know, me too. Okay.